Air pollution chokes the national capital and nearby areas once again as thick layer of smog has engulfed the Delhi national capital region after pollution caused by bursting firecrackers during Diwali celebrations. Stubble burning in neighbouring states like Punjab, for example, is adding to Delhi's woes. People continue to light firecrackers across Delhi in spite of the ban that has been imposed by the government on fireworks. The national capital's air quality drastically worsened as citizens woke up to air quality index breaching the 900 mark at various locations. Areas like Anand Vihar and Jahangirpuri were some of the worst areas amongst others. As of 4 p.m, Delhi's AQI stood at around 400, while in Noida, the air quality index has been around 350.
देखिए, जो एनालिसिस से आया है, दिल्ली या एनसीआर हो, जो भी हो, ऐसा तो कोई बाउंड्री नहीं है ना, कहीं फायर क्रैकर आया उसका नहीं आएगा, या दिल्ली में बिल्कुल फायर क्रैकर नहीं था, वो तो हम उसका ऑब्जर्वेशन नहीं रखते। लेकिन जो एनालिसिस है सैंपल, उसमें देखा था कि दोनों का कंट्रीब्यूशन ज़्यादा है पिछले एक दिन में। ठीक है, कल से जो सीवियर कैटेगरी है वो इम्प्रूव करके पुअर टू वेरी पुअर आ सकता है।
Those who have recovered from COVID also, they have a compromised lungs. You imagine if they get another respiratory ailment because of this pollution, it is going to be really troublesome for them.
Now today we are again facing the severe pollution problem. So my basic advice to all people would be avoid all kind of morning walks. Nobody should go for a morning walk in this level of pollution. Also, any person who is smoking should avoid smoking at least in these times. Moreover, any patients of asthma or allergy or COPD or any patients with any cardiac ailment should consult their doctors and take their regular medications.
The AQI at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium today morning in Delhi was 999, which is extremely hazardous. And this is because there was a complete violation of the norms and rules laid down by the honorable courts and even by both the government, central and state, as people came out in huge numbers violating the cracker ban in Delhi and NCR. And now they can see the ill effects.
बहुत ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन है और जिसकी वजह से हमें साइकिलिंग में भी थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ रही है और ये हम पोल्यूटेड एयर अपने अंदर ले रहे हैं, तो जो हमारे लिए हार्मफुल है। और इसका मेनली रीज़न ये जो हमने दिवाली सेलिब्रेट किया है और बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में क्रैकर्स जलाए हमने और उसका अंजाम आज हमें भुगतना पड़ रहा है।
ये सब धुएं की वजह से है, सारा प्रदूषण है जो धुएं की वजह से है, पटाखों की वजह से है। ये दमसी जैसे लग रही है, जैसे दमसी घुट रही है, आंखों में वैसे आ रही है धुआं जैसी।
Now, as Delhi chokes the day after Diwali, here is an hourly average of PM 2.5 from this 27th of October to the 5th of November, 8 a.m. You can see the graph which tells you the hourly PM 2.5 concentration that crossed over 900 micrograms per cubic meter mark. Even at a time Delhi is gasping for fresh air, blame game over pollution mess has exploded as always. Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai has blamed the surge in farm fires and people bursting crackers for worsening air quality. He's taken a swipe at the BJP. He's also said the BJP made some provocative statements and has actually provoked people to burst firecrackers on Diwali. A fuming BJP has hit back, saying that Delhi's AQI was in the hazardous zone even before crackers came out. Anyone suggesting otherwise is trying to make Arvind Kejriwal look like somebody who's done the needful, is what BJP's Amit Malviya has said.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने जानबूझ करके ये पटाखे कल जलवाए, उसके लिए उन्होंने कैंपेन किया, बार बार चुनौती दी कि हम पटाखे जलाएंगे, आप रोक के दिखाइए। और कल वो पटाखे जलवाए गए, इंटेंशनली जलवाए गए, लोगों को उससे धर्म से जोड़ करके लोगों को उकसाया गया। मुझे लगता है कि मेरा निवेदन है भारतीय जनता पार्टी से कि इस अपनी सोच को बदलिए। दिल्ली के अंदर दिवाली के अवसर पे जब पटाखे जलते हैं और स्थितियां जब बदलती हैं तो लोगों के लिए दमघोटू माहौल बन जाता है।
मंत्री गोपाल राय लगातार हम हिंदुओं को ये कहकर चिढ़ाते रहे कि आतिशबाजी का, पटाखों का तो दिवाली से कोई रिश्ता ही नहीं है। कहीं ना कहीं ये उनकी औरंगजेबी सोच का प्रमाण है। औरंगजेब ने भी अपने काल में आतिशबाजी पर रोक लगाई थी।
Abhishek Anand is getting us more details on that story. Joins us from New Delhi. Abhishek, it's the same story year after year. It's just that this year on social media, for those who are active on Twitter and otherwise also, there was a lot of conversation about how bursting crackers is extremely important because it's centric to the Hindu festival of Diwali. A lot of people are actually supporting bursting crackers, and that's what the Aam Aadmi Party is talking about right now.
Well, Sneha, this is a situation in which the entire pollution of Delhi has been dragged into a political mudslinging between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. But the matter of fact is 50% of the current pollutants in the air are caused by the firecrackers, and rest of the 40% are apparently caused by the stubble burning in the neighboring states of Haryana, Punjab and parts of western Uttar Pradesh by the farmers. So this is the harsh reality of Delhi. One of the major developments which are going to happen in a couple of days, that the wind speed, the weather department says that the wind speed is going to be increased significantly, and that will hopefully bring down the pollutants from the atmosphere across NCR. But that is not a complete relief, Sneha. Remember, we started celebrating Phua. So the air quality which is in hazardous category can be in very poor category, but there is no end of the current situation. The current gas chamber will continue in coming days. Sneha.
Abhishek, thanks so much for getting us those details. Abhishek Anand with that report from Delhi. Now, was it just the crackers that led to Delhi's air quality worsening? Farm fires across Punjab also continue to rage on as it's the season of stubble burning. Now, stubble burning accounted for 36% of Delhi's PM 2.5 pollution on Friday, the highest this season so far, according to the government air quality forecast agency SAFAR. On Thursday, farm fires accounted for 25% of Delhi's PM 2.5 pollution. Last year, the share of stubble burning in Delhi's pollution had peaked at 42% on November 5th. In 2019, crop residue burning accounted for 44% of Delhi's PM 2.5 pollution on the 1st of November. The concentration of stubble burning in Delhi's PM 2.5 pollution was 32% on Diwali last year as compared to 19% in 2019. Now, toxic air post-Diwali was not just witnessed in Delhi or the National Capital Region, but cities across India as well. They woke up to a blanket of heavy smog today. Air pollution levels have shot up drastically in several cities. In Chennai, for example, air quality levels are at 446, that falls under the severe category. Similar situation in Lucknow, but the air was slightly better there. Air quality level was at 310. Pollution levels in Mumbai also shot up at 160. Patna reported air quality of 165.
On November 4th, the day of Diwali, the air quality in the city of Chennai reached a hazardous level of 446. The Central Pollution Control Board in a data said that all through the day in the 7 monitoring stations in the city of Chennai, the pollution levels were around 156. But after 7 p.m. onwards, they saw a drastic high, and at 9:30 p.m. the levels reached around 446. This level of pollution is attributed to the cracker bursting that took place in and around Chennai city on the occasion of Diwali. The state government had put out regulations saying that in a day only 2 hours was allowed for cracker bursting. That was 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. and then 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. But most of the people in the city of Chennai had violated this regulation.
Just after the celebrations of the Diwali, the air quality index is a major concern with the fact what is the picture right now in Lucknow, where you can see smog and the pollution looks like on the surface. It is a very important thing with the fact that this time the air quality index in Lucknow has been recorded 263 on an average, but some of the areas and many areas have witnessed air quality index up to 308, which is a major concern. Although there has been restrictions on the use of crackers, and at the same time compared to the last years, there was a significant downfall in the number as far as the crackers are concerned. But if I show you how the situation is currently in Lal Bagh, Lucknow, the index has gone up to 308, and similarly if I talk about some other areas like Talkatora, there the index is 287. It looks like that in the major areas the index has crossed the 300 bar, which comes into a category of a major concern. But it looks like that after the Diwali celebrations, the air quality index has deteriorated in Lucknow, which is evident in the marking. In Lucknow with cameraman Sanjay Singh, Abhishek Mishra for India Today.
Day after Diwali, Mumbai's air quality index is in the moderate quality, which is 150 to 165 AQI. This is a problematic category for those who are suffering from illnesses like asthma. But otherwise, as it was predicted that Mumbai's air quality would be in a worsened condition, it has not been the case this year so far. Mumbai's air quality index for last few days was above 165 and in a very poor quality condition. But if you see just a day after Diwali, it is not in that bad condition as compared to Delhi and other cities. With camera person Hemant, Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.
प्रदूषण का स्तर इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है कि सुबह पूरे इलाके में केवल धुंध ही दिखाई दे रहा था। तो ऐसे में सरकार ने प्रतिबंध तो लगाया था, लेकिन उसका पालन नहीं किया गया और हालात ये रहे कि जो पटाखे बिक रहे थे वो खुलेआम सड़कों पर बिक रहे थे, पुलिस के सामने बिक रहे थे, प्रशासन के सामने बिक रहे थे, लेकिन उसे रोकने की कोशिश नहीं की गई। हालांकि हमारी बातचीत प्रशासन से हुई, प्रशासन का कहना था कि वो ग्रीन पटाखे बेच रहे हैं, लेकिन वो ग्रीन पटाखे नहीं थे, वो प्रदूषण फैलाने वाले, वायु प्रदूषण फैलाने वाले, ध्वनि प्रदूषण फैलाने वाले पटाखे थे, जिसकी वजह से आज नतीजा ये है कि पटना का जो वायु प्रदूषण है वो काफ़ी खतरनाक तरीके से बढ़ गया है। और ये जो स्तर है ये कोरोना के लिए भी ठीक नहीं है। कोरोना का जो काल है जिसमें लंग्स ज़्यादा इफेक्टेड होता है, उसके लिए ये हवा जो है बेहद 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 खतरनाक है। कैमरामैन दीपक कुमार के साथ सुजीत कुमार झा।
We're shifting focus now. Here's a jaw-dropping video that captures moments leading up to a two-wheeler explosion that killed a child and his father. In a tragic incident, Kalainesan and his son were charred to death after the firecrackers they were carrying on the scooter exploded. The incident was reported near the Puducherry-Viluppuram border on Thursday on the day of Diwali. The father, Kalainesan, and his 7-year-old son, Pradeep, were travelling in a two-wheeler reportedly with bundles of firecrackers which burst into flames, killing both of them on the spot. Reports suggest that the explosion was heard about a kilometre away, injuring 3 others. A lorry and 2 other two-wheelers were damaged in this incident.